Fried wonton?
Well, those are must be mine, because I sure never had a none for you.
May I take your glass, sir?
No. Let it stay. Wait. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oliver.
I would like to suppose a toast to someone special in my life. Sentimental birthday greetings to the light in my day, the stars in my night, the saltfish in me hockey, when you can get it, and the pig still into Miss Choupies. Violets are blue, roses are red. Our love will be true till one are we dead.
I've never been so ashamed in my life.
Ashamed for what?
Everybody was laughing at us. You're stone blind drunk.
Drunk? Me never drunk. I was just happy.
You had everybody in the place staring at us.
Look here, no man. Then that's how. Look for Michael Jackson. Everywhere go people look for him and he still doing shame. And look here, no? You better be careful with them bamboo things here, because I hear to them give worms.
Oliver, why you don't just ask the waiter to bring back a knife and fork? Because at the rate that we are going, we'll never leave this place.
You man, look here. Me used to them things and I meet with them regular. I am very sufficient with chopstick.
Chopstick? I just take your elbow off the table, man.
And put them where?
Oh, sorry. Would you like knife and fork, sir?
For what?
Well, I mean, we should have been closed half an hour ago, and, you're still at it.
This is a birthday to remember.
I'm not finished yet. I'm not taking me time. Oh. Now what happened? You finish it?
Yes.
But after you eat more than half right, this is the waiter. We're going to have to negotiate a little business here. And I pay for more than half our food because it's only half she eats.
You're mad, man. The way you want to come to the people in high-class restaurant, come negotiate price.
Waiter, please to come here. You know what? I think I'm going to carry it home from a dog. So please to put it in like a doggy bag for me.
Okay.
Oliver, and when you get dog?
Then you never know about Pluto.
From all of this time when me I come a fair house, me love, me never see a dog yet.
Well, you see, Pluto is shy. Him always hide from strangers.
Will you be having dessert?
Yes, thank you. I'll have some lychee.
Anything for you, sir?
No. I will have some of hers.
Okay.
What you doing?
May I sharpen this thing, man? That was the problem all along.
What?
It's in the dull.
Listen, I hope we have enough money to pay the bill because me really couldn't deal with another embarrassment.
Of course, me have money. Then you know, so me have to pull on me part of money right here so that me be a fool.
Oliver, no!
I will be a fool there. If you let me leave the whole of my money and me had in the bureau, right in the billfold.
This is it. Yes, ma'am.
No, wait, no. You don't have any money with you.
Where you must get money from?
They know you're working.
1 week salary couldn't cover the whole of this a bill here or so.
How much you think it is?
So hold on, you wasn't checking. It's $400 worth of food we eating now.
$400? Don't panic. Don't panic. Major D, my brethren. I want to have a little words with you.
Sir.
Look here. You think, you see, I am having a little, sort of, financial disturbance. I wonder if you could help me out.
In what way?
Well, I was wondering if you could have lent me a few $100. You see, I leave my money at home. I will go home and collect it and bring it back to you.
Are you some sort of a lunatic?
No,
I've never seen you in all my life. And you expect me to lend you money?
well, you can hold on to, to she.
You have a nerve.
Pluto don't have no money.
Nobody was talking to you.
How do you propose to cover the check?
Well,
No, the owner good.
Marie.
Them even went to school together, you know. Him not here yet.
Yes.
So call him now. Call Pingy.
No, wait, no, Marie, man. We can work out this thing another way, man.
So hold
Call
on.
who?
Mr. Pingy isn't the owner of this restaurant.
I haven't the faintest idea what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
This restaurant is owned by Mr. Gary Lee. Would you like me to call him?
No. It's all right. We must can work something out.
You're going to wash plates until your hands shrivel up.
Me? Wash plate?
And pat and pan and scrub the floor and every striking thing in the kitchen.
All right. Come if we start.
We?
Me wash and you dry up?
You must be mad. Listen, my love. Me not spend my birthday inside and wash no plates.
But Marie, you don't expect me to wash all them the whole plate by myself?
It's your treat.
Come, Pluto. Playtime now. Bring her your plantain. This way back.
Marie, come to know.
No. This not pure for yet. Come.
Marie.
Oliver, you here?
No.
Wait, come Oliver. You find work yet? Oliver!
What you calling on me name for like a fella? Do I know